Alright, so I've been building this grand monstrosity here. I call it the PLANETEATER. It is nowhere near finished, but it's been taking so long to build with a ship with a welder on it that I've started building a conveyor welder system that I'm going to use to build it much faster. This is my spaceship. Originally we came from the ground, but I started removing the ground-based flight propulsion systems because I don't think I'll ever be flying this back down. We've got some solar panels to keep it charged, which, to be honest, I probably need some more solar panels than that, but it's working for now. So I'm going to finish building my line of welders. Let's see here, do I have enough inventory? Looks like it. Sure, yes, it does have a port at the bottom. And I need more plates. Probably going to need to start constructing more base components soon, but hopefully not too soon. We shall see. So, oh, I need one more. Just deposit everything that I have, and we'll get some interior plates, as many as we can carry. I think that's all the interior plates. Oh, it looks like we're short a couple. Yes, we're definitely short some plates, so grab a few more. Let's make sure that we do have enough of all the different things. I think we do. So motors, well, we could use more motors. I'll queue some motors. A few more tubes. Used quite a few tubes there. Now we need more construction components. Oh, I have it looping. Just turn off the looping. We don't need it using up all the space again. And we're out of construction components. enough motors? Nope. Oops. Didn't want to put it in the terminal, I want to have it in my inventory. Definitely don't have enough motors yet. Because I think the welders need motors as well. I really should build a better welder. I'll do that quickly. Double check that I have the required components for it though. What do I need gravel for? Am I really out of cobalt? Darn. How do I put... Okay, let's do this. That'd give me cobalt that I need. No, that gave me almost nothing. If anything, 0.07. That does not appear to give me back the cobalt. Unless it's sitting in one of my things. Oh, I froze it. There's no way. Okay, it's still alive. Does that give me any cobalt? Looks like it did. So I now have an advanced welder. Get rid of that. Now we have a slightly better welder. I don't know if the amount of time I saved by welding will equal the amount of time I just spent making the welder. I now need to restore my energy. I don't actually have any silver, so I haven't built one of those emergency, whatever it's called, or a hospital thing. Probably would be a good idea, but I've just been too preoccupied with other stuff to deal with that. It looks like I'm out of ice because my oxygen did not refill. I'll have to go grab more ice soon. How come I couldn't make the... What? Why did I open my visor? How come I couldn't make the better... Why did it make the level enhanced and not the level enhanced? Whatever. Yeah, where is it now? Huh? What have I done? Oh, I just read the ingredients wrong. Okay, so... I need more cobalt. Oh, there it is. Okay, it's working, it's building. I'm looking at the wrong tab. We good now. Well, we'll have our proficient welder. We won't immediately disassemble it by mistake. There we go. Way faster. Alright, now we're going to need our construction components. Let's see if we built... How many have we built? A bunch. Enough? We'll see. I think it's probably enough. No, not even close. I need 30 per thing, not 10. I was reading it wrong there. Now that's probably enough. I suppose I could be using T-shaped conveyor belt, reinforced conveyor belts, but I've already gone this far with conveyor junctions, so we'll just use the conveyor junctions. If you didn't know, you can double click and it'll keep the tool turned on. Alright, I think all of those are built now. Now it's welder time. We need a bunch of steel plates. And energy is already low again. There's all of our steel plates. Those large tubes take a lot of inventory space. We need more construction components, we need computers. We'll do computers first. Queue up a few construction components. I think I got them all, but I'm not sure. Alright. Alright, that's all the construction components. Now I just need motors. Alright, recharging energy, and then we're going to test the pistons see how they behave. Their ship is 5 million, almost 6 million kilograms. That's a lot. There's my O2 supply. Oxygen bottle's getting low. Luckily, I have lots of them. Why isn't it letting me grab it from there? Is the cockpit not connected properly? Weird. Oh, this one's not built. Let's actually just check the menu and make sure they're all built. There we go, 27 welders. First thing I'm going to do is we're going to go to the cockpit. Actually, I'm going to do this. Need steel plates. I don't need a heavy armor block, just need a regular armor block. What we're going to do is put a camera on here. Need computers. Alright, now let's go to the cockpit and see what it looks like here. Camera right here. First, let's look at it. Perfect, that's what I wanted. Sadly, the camera can't look sideways. Alright, so level 1, we want stop moving. Where's the stop moving button? Do that. Level 2. Decrease. Increase. Stop moving. Okay, so I want all of these to be, all of the controls for the pistons to be on one row. So what is this? Decrease, increase, stop, decrease, increase, stop. I probably should use reset velocity instead, but yeah, let's do that instead of powering it off. Yeah, we'll do this. reset, increase. Reset, increase, and then increase, reset. I did that in the wrong order. I want this to be decrease. And increase. Whoops. Decrease. Increase. And then put the camera as the last one. Okay, so now let's see how this works. Oh boy. That's not what we wanted. Oh dear. I believe we need to do some inertia sharing here. That is too heavy. Unless we completely replicate the whole thing, which is kind of difficult with the way I set it up. I'd have to move all this stuff. Alright, let's see if we can figure out how to set the inertia. Oops. Oh dear, what did that do? Okay, it's getting better. We're moving now, which is not what we wanted, but especially considering there's no gyroscope on this setup, but I think it's slowing down. Okay, let's go to back to the level 1, inertia tensor is on, level 2, inertia tensor is on. Alright, it's not waving around anymore. The station has stopped moving. That's good. Very good. Alright, let's try this again. Reset is not what we wanted. We'll do toggle. See if that works. Okay. We've had some success. So that's number 2. Number 3. This should go. What did I do? Oh, I missed it. I didn't do my hotkeys correctly. Okay, level 2. Increase. And then 3. Decrease. 3. Power. 3. Increase. I'll have to put the camera on the other block. So if we do this, it's working. Alright. Now the issue is all of these blocks are built. These ones are not, and it's not going to reach because I didn't even plan this. So, let's see, are these all fully built? Yes. Those ones are not, those ones are not. Those ones are not. Oh, this is going to be a pain. Unless I temporarily make one longer. What we will do... Let's put another camera here. So let's put it right here. Now let's make sure it's facing the same way. Okay. Back to the cockpit. Actually, can we see it from the cockpit? We cannot. So, let us move into position here. So we want to go up a little bit. So we'll go up. Now we're going to go way down to the end. Woohoo, it's working. Let's just show what it looks like. Look at that. That's awesome. Actually, this camera is... No, it's not going to be in the way. Alright. Let's do some welding. I'll see if I even have enough components and storage to use all these welders. So we're going to go back a bit. Now, I'm going to actually fly out over there and double check that my alignment is correct, because I don't want... Why is there gravel? Oh, I have the thing spitting out gravel, because I don't need gravel. Okay, that alignment is not good. I need to bring it more... this way. Okay, so if the crosshairs is on the thing, that should match up with where we need to be. And now we'll use the extender to go down. Should be number 9. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I need to put the welders in a block group. On. So now the welders are turned on. And we'll zoom down here. Let's see. Reach the maximum extent that way. Let me double check how this is working because I don't want to break anything. Okay, that's because we're at maximum extent on there, but we've extended the other direction. So I'll need to reset the locations of those two. So we're going to bring number 9 back up. Bring that all the way up. Now we're going to bring it back just a bit. Too much. Right there should be good. Actually, we'll go a little more. Right there. And now, bring number 4 down. There we go. Turn those off. Now we'll set this acceleration to 0. Turn it on. Oops, did not turn it on. Did we instantly run out of parts? What's going on here? I forgot to turn off the welders, so we probably instantly ran out of parts. Is this going to run in here? No, it's not. Okay. But it'll definitely run in there if I bring it back too fast, which it will likely do. So bring back this, bring it back up. All the way up, just so I know that I'm clear. Bring this one wrong way. That is bouncy. Okay, now we want to bring it back down. Now let's turn off the welders before we go out and look at it. See what's happening here. Okay, they are definitely in welding position. Beautiful. Okay, are we out of power cells instantly? Probably out of power cells. No, we have lots of power cells. What are they forgetting? What do they need that we don't have? Metal plates. Oh yeah, there's no steel plates left. So what I'll do is I'm going to turn on the welders just so that we can watch them from outside of the ship. And queue up some steel plates for construction. Yeah, we completely ran out of steel plates. I'm not sure how many I will need, but let's see here. Nice. This is actually working really well. Don't want to get too close to the welder. Those are already done. Wow, this is working really well. See how our alignment is. Perfect. Straight line all the way down. That's great. Look at that assembly line of welders go. That's awesome. That's just what I wanted. Now for the edges that I made without realizing that I'm going to be printing ships, I think I'm going to just temporarily extend the welders to another block or two. So is this done being built? Yes. All of them done? I think they're all done. Nice. Let's double check our production. Yeah, we're producing lots of them. How many power cells do we have left? Lots of power cells. How much iron? Iron, where's the iron? That's not a good sign. Are we out of iron? Uranium, silver, silicon, gold, nickel, uranium. Well, we're running out of iron right now, right as I speak, I think. Oh no, we have 31,000 in one of the containers. Alright, we got a bit of iron for a while. So what I'm gonna do... First thing, let's turn off the welders so we don't accidentally get shocked. And there's a whole row of them. Plus this outer row that's going to be armor. Now that I know that I'm doing it in 3D, I won't be building big blocks like this before building the edges. Let's see here. How are we going to do this? I don't want to do this whole row over here on this side manually, but it might actually just be faster. But then I have to build the armor on the side. I haven't built any armor yet. What to do, what to do, what to do. I don't want to break my nice printer. So I think I'm going to just do it manually here. As troublesome as that's going to be. Oh, my oxygen is running out again. So I can only carry 20 power cells, and they need a lot of power cells. What a mess. I need a lot more than that too. And I have to do my armor plates. Alright, we're gonna do it. I'm gonna break it. Okay, so it's just those two outer ones that really matter. That will get... that will intersect there. It's too close. I don't want to risk it. It's exactly block level next to each other. I don't know what'll happen. I don't want to try. I don't want to risk with the shaking. So we'll also take off these two. It's not actually that big of a deal to modify just these 4 welders. Now we need to bring it up. So, up is 3rd dimension backwards, number 7. Bring it up high enough? Yes, it did. Okay, so we're not going to want to bring that down anymore. So... we need interior plate. Interior plates it is. Much. Let's check. Oh, that's close. So I'm not bringing it up anymore. Should be okay. I know I don't need to, but I'm going to prevent unhappiness. There. Now, since there's so few, we'll use the build menu, build planner, I mean. Now we'll do the same thing on the other side. Why can't you withdraw construction components? Do I need to build more? Looks like it. Well, still not enough construction components. Alright. So now we're ready to build the outer edge. Okay, first I'm going to lift it up just a little bit, which means number 6 needs to go. There, that's good. Now I'm going to, what am I going to do here? Yes. This is going to be a bit of a jerky, quick movement here, but oh, that's scary fast. We're missing something. What components are we short? Steel plates again? We'll see. Yeah, steel plate, no, construction components. That's what we're short. Lots and lots of construction components. That is working really well. I know it's building on the other side, so just gotta run it up and down. Let's go double check how the other side did. Yeah, it's partially built. It's missing steel plates on this side. We have all the construction components we need there, but now we're out of steel plates. Whoops. Sure, we do have all the construction components we need. Yeah, it looks like it. Alright. Time to finish the batteries. It's not going to break anything if we go forward unpiloted. Do that quickly so you can see what it looks like. Look at it go. It's moving too fast to finish all of them. I've got to do a couple of passes back and forth. But I made it a little bit longer than necessary. Wow, I really like that. That's so fun. Alright, let's get back here. Too fast. Let's see if we can make it go any slower. Oops. Okay, let's open up the menu for Group 1. I'm in the wrong menu. So we want level 1 drill, level 1. 1 velocity, that's as slow as I can make it go, pretty much. Nice. Did it finish it? No, not even close. Some of them are done, some of them are not done. Wow, I'm quite pleased. I made a giant 3D printer for my space heater. PLANETEATER, that's the name of it. It's the PLANETEATER. In the next video, I will make some armor, because I gotta gather a whole crap ton of cobalt. I have almost no cobalt, and I'm gonna need a lot of grids and a lot of metal. So I'm gonna have to take my ship out, undock, and go grab some more iron from there. And I have not been able to find any cobalt. Like, I've looked all around here, and I haven't found any cobalt at all. So I might just have to fly down to the planet down there, because there's plenty of cobalt there, and then bring up a load or something like that. I don't know. Anyways, thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video if you found this interesting. I will make a few more videos. I know I'm a little bit late to the whole space engine craze, but it was on sale on the Steam Spring Sale, and I got it for very cheap. Very cheap indeed. Anyway, can't wait to see this thing working. What are we at for PCU? We are currently at 153,000 PCU for the game so far, which is 50,000 over the normal limit, but it's still running just fine, at least for now. Are we getting any sunlight here? We are getting sunlight, so we are slowly charging. I don't think this is enough to charge. Let's check. Is it charging? Let's go in the cockpit, not the rear engine. Charging, cannot say. Let's go to the menu and check the battery. Oops. Space battery, fully recharged in 10 days. Okay, so it is charging. Fully recharged in 7 days. Okay, so we are charging. We're not using more power than we're gaining. That's a good sign, at least. It's not a very big solar array, and it's not currently, well, it actually is currently aimed pretty close. Anyways, like I said, thanks for watching. I'm going to leave this one here for now, and we'll come back again soon, hopefully.